Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. This is the dinner that I have just made, sauteed green beans with garlic and dried shrimps. This is one of the very typical Cantonese food, home-cooked food that you can find in most of the Chinese family. And in this video, I want to show you how do I make it. So keep watching. To begin with, cut off the tip of both ends of the green beans. Cut the beans to about 5 to 6 cm lengths. Coarsely chop the garlic. Clean and then soak the dry shrimps in water for about 10 minutes to rehydrate, then drain. Saute the chopped garlic, then followed by the dry shrimp. Season with some salt. Add the green beans and continue stir frying. Season the green beans with oyster sauce. Rice wine. Light soy sauce. And sugar. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes and test the doneness of the green beans. Remove it immediately from heat once it is tender crisp. And now it is ready to serve. This is how I make my sauteed green beans with garlic and dried shrimps. It is very nutritious and full of fiber. So if you want to try this recipe, I have included the recipe in the description right below the video. And if you like it, please give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. And I'll see you again in the next video in this channel. Bye for now.